Hey, what's up guys, this is FatalCubes here. In this video, I will be concluding this guessing game mini-series about a month late. The reason being is I wasn't ever going to make this video, but I thought, hey, why not? This could be cool and fun to use. So I'll be showing you guys how to export the guessing game as a .jar and run it through a batch file. For Mac users, I'm sure you can find a similar tutorial. It wouldn't be too much different. You're just going to export it as a jar file and create a terminal thingy. I'm not sure how terminal works, so yeah. Anyways, first thing you want to do is right click on your project, or anywhere really. You go to even file and then export. Go to under Java, go to runnable jar file, and under launch configuration, pick the thing you want to do. For me, I'm doing the guessing game, and you guys should be doing too. But as you see, these are all the Java tutorial series. These are basically all your main classes out of all your projects. So I have a lot, but I'm just gonna pick this one, and I'm gonna rename this guessing game.jar. Make sure you have the first option selected, and I'm gonna put it on my desktop. So once you go ahead and hit finish there, you can subtract Eclipse, and it'll be right here on your desktop. Next thing you're going to want to do is hit new text document and name this whatever you want. Doesn't really matter because we're actually going to just change this around. Go into edit and do @echo off. These are some batch file commands, so this will turn off echoing in your command prompt. Then you want to set the working space to C /:, C:\users /FatalCubes. This will be different for every user depending on what your name is. Of course, I've named the person on my computer the user FatalCubes, so this will put me at the working directory of my desktop. And basically this right here has to be whatever your jar file is. So if you have it in a different folder, make sure you direct it to that folder. And then do this command, java space -jar space, and then the name of your jar, guessinggame.jar. At the very end, put a pause. That way when you lose the game, it doesn't instantly take away your command prompt. It'll pause until you hit another button. Go to save as. This is important. We're under save as type, change it to all files and just name it guessinggame.bat and save that on your desktop. Alright, delete the new text document, and here is your .bat file. Right click, you can always edit it here and then save it if you want to make any changes, and otherwise you can just go ahead and run this, and bam, there it is, your guessing game. So just in case, let's say this was in a different location. Let's see, where can I put it? I'll put it in this folder, SFXR. So this is not in the same directory. Run it here, still works. Now, if you were to go ahead and edit this and turn @echo on, you'll see what happens here is it'll display all the commands. It's first setting your directory, then running it, but I think it's nicer with it off, so you can change that if you want. And that is it. So what happens, you can play your game. Just note that if you do type in letters, because in the actual code of the game we never checked for invalid input, it'll just do this, and then it'll say press any key to continue, and then that'll just be the end of it. Otherwise, let's say you're terrible at guessing and you lose the game, it'll say, whoops, looks like you ran out of guesses, no points, and press any key to continue. Once you press any key, it'll close out of the console. And that's it for this short tutorial. Again, if you want to do this for Mac, then you're just gonna have to export it as a jar and create some sort of .sh file, I think. Whatever the terminal files are for Mac computers. That probably won't take too much research, but this will work. You can just send this to your friends. Make sure that if you give this to your friend, put it on the desktop, and you might have to tell them to change this path right here, because obviously their username will be different than yours. So you might have to show them that, but it's better than having them downloaded clips and copying over all the files and stuff like that. And yeah, so that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one.